Hello everyone. Now today we discuss about the topic BMR. BMR is a basal metabolic rate. In the basal metabolic rate, it's a metabolic rate is the rate of metabolism, the amount of energy used by animal per unit time or human per unit time, and the basal metabolic rate is the amount of energy used daily by human beings or animals at the rest. So basal metabolic rate is the number of calorie required to keep your body functioning at the resting time. And the BMR is also known as the metabolism. Therefore, an increase to your metabolic weight, such as an exercise, will increase your BMR. So in this graph, we discussed for the BMR, most of the energy is consumed in maintaining fluid level uh, in the tissue through osmosis, and only 1/10 is consumed for mechanical work such as digestion, heartbeat, and breathing. What enable the Krebs cycle to perform metabolic changes to fats, carbohydrates, and protein is energy, which can be defined as a ability or capacity to do work. The breakdown of large molecule into smaller molecule associated with the release energy is a catabolism, and the breakdown of protein into amino acid is an example of catabolism. Body heat in warm-blooded animal is produced by chemical reaction of catabolic type, and the building of process is termed anabolism, and the formation of protein from amino acid is a anabolic process. And ATP is the intermediate molecule that drive the transfer of energy used in muscles contraction. And the ATP is high energy molecule because it store large a large amount of energy in the chemical bonds of the two terminal, like a phosphate group and the intermediate molecules, and the breaking this chemical bond in the Krebs cycle provide energy needed for the muscular contractions. So the next is this one is shows the physical activity 20%, metabolic rate is 70%, and the rest is a 10%. So what is a factor of affecting BMR? First is the surface area. Surface area is directly proportional to the surface area. Like a man and a woman, it is determined by the sex. Like men have a higher BMR, and age is also a very big factor. Like infants and the growing children, BMR is the higher rather than the adult. BMR decrease at the rate of 2% per decade. Yeah, physical activity is a great factor of the BMR. Increase with regular exercise, the BMR is increases, and the hormones like thyroid hormone increases BMR, and the epinephrine, cortisol, sex hormone, and the growth hormone also increases the basal metabolic rate. Now the also this like environment, starvation, fever, disease status, they all are affecting the BMR. Like environment, BMR is higher in cold climates compared to the warm climates, and the starvation, at the time of starvation, the BMR is obviously there's no energy, so BMR is decreased up to 50% has been reported, and in the time of fever, 10% increasing for every 1 degree rise in the body temperature. And that like in the disease states, like BMR is a increase in like in the infections like leukemia, cardiac failure, hypertension, and the different diseases. Okay, what is the significance of the basal metabolic rate? Basal metabolic rate is important to calculate the caloric requirement of an individual and planning of the diets, and it's a assessment of thyroid functions, and it's also below normal in starvation, under nutrition, additions, disease. And the BMR is the above normal in the fever, diabetes, insipidus, and the polycythemia. This is all about the BMR, and the metabolic rate varies varies individual to individual. Like one study of 150 adults represent the population to Scotland reported basal metabolic rate from 1027 kilocalorie per day, and high on 2499, and the average was 1500 per day. So the researcher is calculated that 62.3% of the variation was explained by difference in the mass, weight, minus, and the fat reserves. And other factors are the amount of fat 6.7%, age 1.7, experimental error including within subject difference 2%, and the rest of variation was unexplained. So thank you so much for your